Will you take a look at this? Is your heart racing? It should be. This is an absolutely beautiful 65 GTO numbers matching 383 tri-power factory 4-speed car. It is unbelievable. Not only is this a full frame off build, every detail of this car is correct. If you are looking for a car that can be judged, this is it. You take a look at the undercarriage. Every coil has every proper badge. The rear end, it's there. Everything on the engine, all the proper badging is there. The car is ready for you. It has never been shown. It's over the break-in period. If you want the very best, this is it. It was just finished. Now, we're going to do a full video for you. We'll show you everything working on the car. I know you're going to have tons of questions. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. You can give me a call. We can talk about the car. I really want you to come down, put your hands on it so that you can appreciate the level of this build. Now, let's take a closer look at this absolutely stunning 65 GTO. So what do you think? Is this absolutely gorgeous? All numbers matching, all original car. It is put at that whole new level. This is a concourse build. It is ready for judging. Remember, this has never been shown. No one's ever seen the car. It's a fresh build. It was just finished. You will be the very first person to drive her. You'll be the very first person to show her. You have tons of questions. I know this. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.